So we're coming to the end of a teaching week with Don Stevens, an artist out of Kentucky who has come up to spend a week with me to learn how to do this. And this is what he has done this week in 5 days. I've kept him really busy. And he's done some marvelous work, as you can see. But Don's here, and I want to bring him over to the camera and let him talk and tell you about his experience. The date right now is June 22nd. And it's been a productive week. Come on over, Don.
Thanks, Rick. Well, this is, what you see here is the culmination of my week with Rick. It started on Monday and getting things wrapped up. It's Friday and I'm going to be packing all this up and taking it back to Kentucky. Let me just say, I had really high expectations of this workshop because of seeing Rick's work. But I will tell you, this experience so surpassed my expectations that honestly I've been dumbfounded. And on top of it, this is located in probably one of the most beautiful places I've been in my life, and I've been all over the world. Nova Scotia is just amazing. But the work you see in front of you represents pretty much all the techniques that Rick uses in his glass processes, and I got to learn them all in a week. And this, was probably one of the highest value workshops that I've ever taken. I mean, it is the money you spend to take this workshop is minimal to compare to what you take out of here, but also what you take home with you to continue doing. So I want to thank Rick, and I want to thank his wife Darcy.
Totally
she's been amazing. Rick's been amazing, and they've been so hospitable. And I would highly recommend this to anyone. If you want an experience that's going to go on your top 10 list, this is it. So,
well, thank you, Don. I really appreciate that.
Yeah.